angle between hands of a clock. So normally for this kind of a clock, it will appear in a front-end interview. So they let you make a drawing like the analog clock and the digital clock, and you make a drawing exactly like that and make it work. But for this question, we just need to calculate the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. So we're gonna solve this problem, by the easiest way. So we're gonna find a reference. So this 12 o'clock or 0 and 0, this point will be the reference. So I'm gonna calculate how many degrees between the hour hand to this position with 12 or 00. And then I'm gonna calculate how many degrees between the minute hand to this hand, but this will be always be clockwise. So this degree, so for example from here it will be like from 12, the hour hand will go clockwise to this position. I don't know, maybe it is 15 degrees from here. And then I'm gonna calculate how many degrees from the minute hand go from 00. So it is 180. So 180 minus 15, I got the result. So it is 165. Now let's try to solve it. So first of all, let's calculate the hour, how many degrees for the hour hand. So hour hand would be equal to 0 if hour equal to 12. Else, if it is not 12 o'clock, it will be like hour times 30. So for example, if it is 1 o'clock, so the hour hand between this 12 would be 30 degrees. Then we're gonna calculate the minute. So the minute would be, how many minutes in a circle? There will be 60 minutes. So for each of the minute, it will be 6 degrees. So it will be the minutes times 6. So this means how many degrees go for the minute hand from this 12 to other positions. But we need also to calculate the hour hand, because after the minute goes, the hour hand also goes. But how can we check that? So the hour hand would plus equal to the minute hand. So the minute hand is just a minute, divided by 360, and then it should, so minute hand divided by 360, it means how many percent for the minute hand. But for one circle it will be 30 degrees. So we're gonna times 30. So this means how many degrees for the hour hand by the moving of the minute hand. Now we just need to return the result. So the result would be minimum of the 2. Because sometimes this degree would be less than 180, sometimes this degree would be more than 180. But we also need to use an absolute, because sometimes the minute hand will be after the hour hand like this. Sometimes the minute hand will be before the hour hand. That is why we need an absolute. It would be, let me just use a minute minus hour with 360 and minus absolute of minute minus hour. So this is the entire code. It is a mathematical problem. I think it is a primary mathematical problem. As you can see, it works. And the time complexity is just 01 because it is just some formulas to calculate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.